Hello guys, this is Alexander and today I will be telling you my observations of yet another company in the American share market. Now before I get into the video, please remember that your investments is your own personal responsibility and therefore your own personal risk. I am only presenting my subjective analysis of the financial results of the company, and you may take into consideration my analysis when you perform your own personal investment decisions. Today I'm going to analyze AMD, a globally chip manufacturing company. The reason why I've decided to analyze this company is because the company has shown significant growth during the pandemic. As you can see from Yahoo Finance, the company has beaten all four of its quarterly earnings in 2021, and expectations are high for this company. It also should be noted that Bernstein itself believes that AMD will outperform. Another indication of the company's growth is the rise in the company's share price. During the pandemic, before the pandemic, the company's share price was at 47. Was at 47 and it peaked at 158. Now I would like to talk a bit about the company's financials. Now, as you can see, the company's income has significantly risen during the pandemic from 341 to 3,162. This is a significant increase in income, and we would like to see it rise more in the next years. Another thing to point out is the company's rise in total assets. The company increased its total assets from 6,000 to 12,000. Now this increase was caused by an increase in current assets from 4,500 to 8,500. But also caused by the increase in non-current assets. This increase in non-current assets is likely due to a rise in PPE, plants, property, and equipment. This indicates to me that the company is planning to invest. Another indication of this is the rise in current liabilities. The company increased its current liabilities from 2,300 to 4,200. This indicates that the company has taken out short-term loans. This is likely again linked to their investments. Now, I would like to talk a bit about the company's chip industry. As you may know, there is a chip crisis in the market. There's a lack of chips in the market, and from the financials, AMD's financials, we can see the company is investing aggressively. This is likely linked to their new chips, new generation chips, which they have revealed to the public not too long ago. The expectations for these chips are high because not only because the company AMD has successfully acquired its competitor Xilinx. By acquiring Xilinx, AMD successfully acquired new adaptive systems for their chips. Xilinx has also deep relations with companies inside the 5G and communications market. So we can expect so we can see that the company could potentially have a promising future. It should be also noted that AMD announced that its new customer is Meta Platforms. This indicates to me that the company is investing in new technology. It wants to enter the new market called Metaverse. Metaverse has a lot of potential, a lot of money inside the market. This is because large companies are investing in it. Large companies such as Meta Platforms, Alphabet, and Amazon have already invested into Metaverse. The partnership with Meta Platforms indicates that AMD's new chips, new generation chips, will be entering the Metaverse market. This is very good news for investors. Now, let us rate the company. For now, I am putting AMD in the OK section. Yes, the company shows a lot of promise. Its announcements are very promising. However, we have to rate the company according to their financials. And currently, in my opinion, their financials place the company in the OK section. I would like to see the company's income a further increase in the company's income and a decrease in the company's current liabilities. Hopefully, the investments the company is planning will successfully achieve both of these things. Now, another thing I'd like to talk about is the company's financial activities. As we can see, the company has increased its financial activities from 43 to negative 1,800. This again indicates that the company is investing. We don't know where the company is investing, but it's likely that the company is buying their own shares. This is positive news for shareholders because there will be less shares in the market, and therefore the share price is likely to rise if the company is buying its shares. In any case, that is all I have to say about the company. If the company increases its income and decreases its current liabilities, then I'll place them in the buy section. But for now, I'm placing it in the OK section. Thank you for listening. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, subscribe and give it a like. And in the next video, I plan to go through McDonald's. Thank you and see you next time.